This tip is about using an option group to allow some interface between you and your user. The form controls in general enable you to structure a spreadsheet that goes far beyond a static spreadsheet that just calculates values. You can actually create some interface between you and the spreadsheet user. And in order to do this, we're going to have to add the Developer tab to the ribbon. It's not on the ribbon by default, but when I click that checkbox, we can add the Developer tab. And going to the Developer tab, in the Controls group, there's an Insert command where we can insert first an option group, which is optional, actually. With the option group, we have the ability to rename this group to give it some distinction or definition. Going back to the Developer tab, I can now insert an option, which comes in the form of a radio button. I'm going to right-click that form control, left-click Format Control, and link a cell B9 to that option button. I'm going to left-click OK, and with it selected, first I'm going to move it up a little bit, I'm going to press Control-C, pick a location, Control-V, and copy that option button twice. So I have 3 of them. When I click one of these option buttons, that linked cell becomes a value that's associated with that option button. And since I created them in the order that they're displayed, 1, 2, 3, the cell's value is going to be 1, 2, 3. Well, after having done that, I can now use a VLOOKUP and pull in the value that I'm really after, that I'm enabling the user to control with the option group. And you have given the user the power to change a cell's value by clicking on one of these options in the option group. And of course, you can change the text in the option button too by clicking on it carefully and changing the text of the option button. And the size of the option button, if you extend it out, will create an area that when clicked will select that option button. So the activation of the option button is driven by the region that's framed out in that border. Now what you would want to do is hide the link cell somewhere on this worksheet or in a hidden worksheet so that the user seamlessly can drive the value of a cell by clicking the option buttons in the option group.